marriage, what have I learned and what have we learned? What I have learned is things don't remain the same what they used to when you begin with. Let's say with regards to physical beauty. When a wife has 4 children, she doesn't look the same what she looked then. But then you learn to look beyond the physical aspect and you see the person's heart. You see things like dependability, reliability, loyalty, love, forgiveness, because you lose count of the times you have asked for forgiveness, how many times you have been forgiven, and it's quite humbling after 12 years. You say you're coming, I'll reach home in 10 minutes, and for 1 hour you meet someone and you're talking, and you assume she'll understand, and you come home and it's like fuming as though you have been unfaithful. The intensity is that, and you realize that, and I have come to realize that you don't take anything for granted. Time does not make things familiar in a marriage, but rather they make it more valuable.